You are facing lots of scientists, decision makers. Probably they are a bit surprised to see a lovely and articulate girl like you to advocate patient's case, and they are a bit surprised and taken back, I believe. Have you ever talked to so many health economics before?
No, I've never spoken to any health economics before, so to speak to so many it was a bit intimidating, I suppose, but I think it was important that a patient was here to speak on behalf of patients where, life-changing decisions are being made on their behalf, and nobody is representing them at these important conferences and these important decision-making exercises. So although it was intimidating, I definitely think it was worthwhile, and I hope that I represented all of the patients, not just from a cystic fibrosis point of view.
What about to bring a patient's representative in the HTA process? What do you think?
Yeah, I think there are lots of articulate patient representatives out there, and I think the majority of patient representatives are bringing about the same message, and that we want patients affected by the particular illness to be included in the HTA process. So I think, you don't need a patient representative from every single illness to get that point across, and that the patient representatives that are out there can very well take part in these kind of conferences and represent the entire patient population as opposed to their specific disease group. So I think that that's very much possible with the patient representatives that we have at the moment, and it might encourage other people that are living with illness to become a patient representative and to come along and make a difference, I suppose.
What do you want to say to all the health economists around the world? What do you want them to do?
Well, I suppose firstly we want to say thank you, that this research really is what we're looking for as patients. It is our hope and our beacon of light at the end of the tunnel. But I think what we want them to do is just to remember that there is a patient at the end of this, that it's not all statistics, not all numbers. Although they are important, there is a human being and a patient who is going to benefit from this new therapies or drugs, whatever they may be. And it's just to remember that is an individual or an individual group that are going to benefit, and that it's not just statistics and numbers.
Katie, thank you very much.